Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today in this video we'll be solving one very interesting radical equation problem for the real values of x. So let's get started by multiplying square root x plus 7 plus square root x plus 2 with square root x plus 7 minus square root x plus 2. A plus b times a minus b. We will use difference of two squares formula and we can write a square minus b square. So square root x plus 7 whole square minus square root x plus 2 whole square. Square root and square will get over. We will write x plus 7 minus x minus 2, which will be equal to 5. So I can find our numerator in terms of square root x plus 7 minus square root x plus 2. Let's write square root x plus 7 plus square root x plus 2 will be equal to 5 over square root x plus 7 minus square root x plus 2. Now we will rationalize denominator also, or we can multiply square root x plus 1 minus square root x and will multiply with square root x plus 1 plus square root x. A minus b times a plus b. Will use difference of two squares formula and write square root x plus 1 whole square minus square root x whole square, which will be equal to x plus 1 minus x 1. So from here I will find square root x plus 1 minus square root x, which will be square root x plus 1 minus square root x will be equal to 1 over square root x plus 1 plus square root x. Now I will replace numerator by this and I will replace denominator by this. So we will write equation 5 over square root x plus 7 minus square root x plus 2. This is numerator. Now denominator is 1 over square root x plus 1 plus square root x. So reciprocal, we will write in the numerator square root x plus 1 plus square root x. RHS is 5. Now we have 5 as a multiplier on both sides. So we can divide both sides by 5. Now 5 over 5 will become 1. Here also we will write 5 over 5 1. So our equation becomes square root x plus 1 plus square root x over square root x plus 7 minus square root x plus 2 equal to 1. Now we are going to cross multiply. We will write square root x plus 1 plus square root x equal to square root x plus 7 minus square root x plus 2. Now we are going to use substitution. Let's say x plus 1. Suppose this is equal to u. So x will become u minus 1. X is u minus 1, then x plus 2 will be u plus 1. Similarly, x plus 7 will be u plus 6. So our equation will convert into variable u. I will write square root u plus square root u minus 1 equal to square root u plus 6 minus square root u plus 1. Now we will take this minus term to the LHS and square root u to the RHS. So we will write equation square root u plus 1 plus square root u minus 1 equal to square root u plus 6 minus square root u. Now we'll be squaring both sides. So let's write square root u plus 1 plus square root u minus 1 whole square in left hand side, and square root u plus 6 minus square root u whole square in right hand side. We'll be using a plus b and a minus b whole square identity. So I will get u plus 1 plus u minus 1 plus 2 times product of both. Using difference of two squares identity, we'll write u square minus 1. In right hand side, u plus 6 plus u minus 2 times square root of u times u plus 6. Now u plus u is 2u. We will subtract 2u from both the sides. Plus 1 minus 1 will get over. We will write 2 times square root u square minus 1 will be equal to 6 minus 2 times square root u square plus 6u. Equation is divisible by 2. Let's divide both sides by 2. We will get square root u square minus 1 equal to 3 minus square root u square plus 6u. We'll take this term to the RHS and negative square root term to the LHS. We will write square root u square plus 6u in LHS, and in RHS there would be 3 minus square root u square minus 1. Now we will consider squaring once again. So we will put part 2 over here. We will put part 2 over here. Square root and square will get over. From LHS we will write u square plus 6u equal to 9 plus u square minus 1 minus 6 square root u square minus 1. Now we can subtract u square from both sides. So we will write equation 6u equal to 8 minus 6 square root of u square minus 1. Again our equation is divisible by 2. So we will divide both sides by 2 and get 3u equal to 4 minus 3 times square root u square minus 1. I will take negative term to the LHS, 3u to the RHS. So 3 times square root u square minus 1 will be in LHS. In right hand side there would be 4 minus 3u. Now we have single square root in LHS. So we'll be squaring for the last time. We will get 3 square is 9. Square root u square minus 1 whole square is u square minus 1 equal to 4 square is 16, 3u whole square is 9u square minus 24u. Or we can write 9u square minus 9 equal to 9u square minus 24u plus 16. We can subtract 9u square from both the sides. So we will remove 9u square. Now we will take minus 9 to the RHS, minus 24u to the LHS. So we can write 24u equal to 16 plus 9, which is equal to 25. So 24u equal to 25. We'll divide both sides by 24 to get the value of u. So u will become 24 in the denominator, 25 in the numerator. This is the value of u. Now u was our substitution. It was x plus 1. So we will write here x plus 1 equal to 25 over 24. We have to subtract 1 to get the value of x. So x will become 25 over 24 minus 1. which will be equal to 25 minus 24 in the numerator, it is 1, and denominator will be 24. So our answer is 1 over 24. Now we are going to verify it. So I will write here check. Here x is 1 over 24. Let's begin with left hand side and prove the value equal to 5. So LHS square root x plus 7. We will write 1 over 24 plus 7 plus square root x plus 2. 1 over 24 plus 2 over square root x plus 1. So square root 1 over 24 plus 1 minus square root 1 over 24. We will write equal to square root 1 plus 24 times 7 is 168. I am writing 1 plus 168, 169 over 24 plus 1 plus 48, 49 over 24. In denominator 1 plus 24, square root 25 over 24 minus 1 over 24. Now we will multiply numerator denominator by square root 24. So we will write here square root 24, square root 24. So denominator 24 will get over from numerator and denominator. So square root 169 plus square root 49 over square root 25 minus square root 1. Now square root 169. 169 is the square of 13. So value will be 13 plus square root 49 is 7. Square root 25 is 5. Square root 1 is 1. 13 plus 7 is 20. 5 minus 1 is 4. We are going to get 5, and 5 is our right hand side. LHS equal to RHS. Hence our solution x equal to 1 over 24 is true and verified. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.